Scoop the sand into the bucket high. Pat it down and watch it dry. Add colorful shells right on the top. A grand sandcastle, don't let it drop. Seagulls landing on the shore, making friends forevermore. Wrapped up warm in a blanket cozy, as the sun turns soft and rosy. Walking home as the sun sets low, wave goodbye to the ocean's glow. Goodbye sea, goodbye sand, best day ever in Toddler land.